Hey guys, Pete here from EV Parts Guy. Got some super exciting news here that we're really excited to share. You know, you guys have known us for selling used parts, primarily Tesla parts. We've been super fortunate to be able to start selling these Meyle new parts. Meyle, if you don't know the company, it's a German original equipment manufacturing company that manufactures for many European brands, but they do have a range of parts available for Teslas, which we have. This is just a small sample of what we have available, but as you see on the box, some of the Meyle HD parts, meaning the heavy duty parts, what they've done is they've engineered the known weaknesses in the parts and, using their statement, better than original equipment. So if they knew the part was going to wear, they have updated the engineering on it to make the parts stronger and more durable. So we can share some of their videos of their engineering, which I find fascinating, obviously being an engineer. But we're going to be like a kid at Christmas and open some stuff and show you some of the parts we have. There's many more available and we'll be adding. So these guys' parts are available on our website, evpartsguy.com. And then also you can also buy them from eBay if you're more comfortable there, or contact us directly. So our number and stuff is in our bio. So what we got here is, this one is the Meyle HD Tesla Model 3 arms. Heavy duty, being actually stronger than what they were originally. Comes with, again, with all the hardware you need to install. So these are actually very good value too. So I was surprised at the prices, and being quite honest, I've had to reduce the cost of our older parts, used parts, because the new ones were actually the same price we were selling new ones for. So these aren't your, you'll see them on eBay, new Tesla parts that are from China and the likes, of unknown quality. We trust Meyle. They're a great company, been in business for over 60 years, huge engineering team, huge engineering focus. So, we have things like control arms. We'll go back to the pile. What else do we have? Actually, this is another good one that, look at the part numbers. You can see here, if it says HD, it means it's the heavy duty improved parts. And this is a part, exactly the one I was looking for. This sway bar or stay bar links, like a lot of the Tesla ones don't seem to last. These will be better than what was originally on the car. So we got pretty much those for Model S, X, 3 and Ys. So pretty much anything you're going to need for the sway bar links we have. That's a good example. A simple one, I'm trying to think if you keep digging through. We've got something open, like a kid at Christmas. It's really cool. So cabin air filters of great quality for Model S, both the first gen and the Model S2. So we've got all of those available. Probably the other cool one we have is, this might be it. I think we got tie rod ends, but nope, we got more sway bar links. Like I said, it's just like a kid at Christmas. And then the other one that's really cool for you too, if I can lift it up, is, I think I put this one down, but we have brake discs for pretty much three X and S's. So the cool thing with these, if you, like us, have the right tools, live in a salty or a corrosive environment, they're actually coated discs, which is with the PD coating from Meyle. I've forgotten what that actually means, but I know I've used these myself in all of my vehicles here in the Northeast, because the corrosion resistant actually just makes them last longer, makes them look a little better. So that's a cool part. And like I said, we have pretty much all the suspension parts for any of the Tesla models you'd want, and we're adding more parts with our partners as we go. So any information, please reach out to us, and I would love to tell you more about it and help you get the parts for your cars. And again, I think you'll be very surprised at how good the prices are for these parts. So very competitive and super high quality parts. We would never sell anything else. So I put these on my own car and I feel good about that. So look forward to hearing from you guys.